USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find a link which says Swing Like a Pro. So click on that link, come to this page and check out these setups and go and join the program if you want. Then you can book consultation with me if you want to talk to me one-to-one and check out the brokers and join my free telegram for sure. Coming back to the charts, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, where are we? We are in the uptrend. Daily, where are we? We are still above the EMS, so we are in the uptrend. But I don't like this pair at all. So I hate USDJPY. That's mean. 4 hours again. Where are we? Okay, so all time frames are above the EMI. So this is above the EMI 4 hour. Daily had been above the EMI and weekly is also above the EMI. So look for longs after the pullback. But I don't trade USDJPY. It's a very unattractive pair to me. Okay, in USD pairs you have Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD. Go and trade them. Why would you trade USD CAD or USD JPY or even USD CHF? So Euro USD, GBP USD are the primary pairs in USD pairs. So yeah, if you speak with me, you can book consultation. Otherwise, join this Swing Like a Pro if you want to enter and exit with me. Till then, subscribe, like and share. Take care.